My mom always tells me that Thailand is a country blessed by God because there's nowhere else in the world that has such awe-inspiring nature, sunlight, mountains, forests, and rivers that combine to form a view of incomparable beauty. I used to hear that people who live in today's modern world, they sometimes need to get back to nature in order to find themselves again. I didn't really understand what that meant until I came here, such an encompassing surroundings. I also gained a new experience, riding an elephant through the jungle and see the whole world in a new perspective. At last, I now understand how nature fills up our energy of life. After stretching my body out in the wild, next time I'll show you the secret of how to relax in Thai style.